Hi guys, today I'm going to show you just a video like how to do the iMessage login and log out on Mac Pro or Mac computer. Then let me start. Somehow it's kind of confused if a little bit have this information, but let me help you. Let's go to the message. When we open the iMessage, then go to the message. From the message, go to the preference. Then after the preference, there is general and iMessage. Go to the iMessage. It's very simple. So then that's it. It's kind of very short video, sorry for that, but that's how it's